viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about fund transfer or transfer your money from your Coin98 wallet to other wallet. This is so simple and easy, and if you need to get this information, so please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative, but first of all please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So well, let's suppose you have a balance in your Coin98 wallet and you want to transfer to other wallet or other exchange. So what will you do, and where you can use the option in your Coin98 wallet, and how to transfer money or fund. Simple and easy. In this video I'm giving you complete information, so please must watch. First of all, we are going to log in on Coin98 wallet, and simple. You can see here I need to put here my password, because when I was create my account, I have apply password. I have entered my password here and click on simple unlock wallet. Now you can see here my wallet is unlocked. Going to expand view. You can easily properly view this information. You can see here there's two buttons available. The first button is send, second button is receive. We have already discussed about a receive button or deposit fund in your Coin98 wallet. If you have not that video, so you go to my YouTube channel and that watch that video. That video is very also informative. Today we are going to use a transfer fund. So I have not any balance on this time, but if you need to transfer, so you can use same scenario which is I'm going to tell you in this video. Please follow. Okay, first you need to click on send button. Let's suppose you have a balance. Okay, and first you select the coin which is have a balance in your coin on cross. Let's suppose I have a balance in La token, and if I need to transfer amount 100, that's only for educational purpose. Okay, please, before going to transfer any fund, you must cross check your recipient address and also must check your chain. You can see here there's show multi-chain. This wallet is multi-chain, and I need to write here or put here the recipient address. So where you can find the recipient address. Let's suppose I have also MetaMask, so I'm going to also enter the password here. I have click on unlock. Now you can see here there's the wallet address shown, or simple go to the click on account details, and this is my wallet address. So you can find your wallet address from any other wallet or exchange. Simple, just copy before going to copy and before going to paste on your wallet address portion, you must cross check you have write or copy your wallet address correctly, otherwise your fund will be lost. And also you must check the your blockchain, which blockchain you are going to use. Let's suppose this time I'm going to use Ethereum mainnet, so that I just simple copy and open again Coin98 wallet. I think La token is not associated with time. You can see here there's shown your balance and gas fees is not enough, means I have not any balance, so that there is shown these messages. So when you are going to transfer any fund from your Coin98 wallet, simple open the token of amount. First you click on the send button. After that, open this information in front of you. Just enter the amount, how much you want to send the money, and then just paste here your recipient address where you need to receive money. Okay, and then you can see here there is shown the option is standard gas fee. You can see you can also use gas fee according to your transaction speed. If you select on standard, so you just pay 0.0021 LT, and if you click on fast, so fee will be changed. And also you can see here, if I click on one more, so you can use more extra fees. So simple is that, just select the token, enter wallet address, and just simple click on send button. After confirmation, your fund will be transferred from your Coin98 wallet to other wallet. And you can also use same scenario with other coin like GLMR or any other coin. Just simple click on that button and click on send button. Simple enter the amount here, let's suppose 1000. Simple enter your wallet address. You can see here there is shown the invalid recipient address because this is not a Ethereum based token or blockchain. So I already told you about in this video, if you need to transfer fund, you must cross check you have selected correct blockchain or network, otherwise your fund will be lost. So keep in your mind. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you transfer fund from your Coin98 wallet to other wallet like MetaMask, Binance or any other exchange. So if you face any problem regarding this, no problem for you. You just simple mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must use your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So before going to transfer fund, keep in your mind, must paste your correct address, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So please, in last thing, please go to my YouTube channel, click on video portion, and then you can see here I have uploaded almost 1000 plus video about cryptocurrency wallets. You just simple visit this website and get information according to your wallet which is you are going to use in your future. Before going to use any wallet, you must watch the video, because if you make any mistake in your wallet, so maybe your fund will be lost. So keep in your mind, don't forget like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Okay, so we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.